บางสะเลบีชบางสะเล Beach, a popular tourist destination. Bang Sale Beach is located at บ้านบางสะเล Bang Sale Sub-District, Sattahip District, Chonburi Province, located between Sattahip and Jomtien Beach. It is a beach on the road with beautiful nature, not much wind. The sea water is clean enough. The water level is not polluted and the waves are not strong. On a log full of coconut trees along the beach, suitable for laying a mat to sit and enjoy the wind and eat by the sea. As a popular tourist destination, there is a large flow of people discussing the problem of waste, whether from tourists who come to relax, from various boats, from the community garbage disposal system, and many more. But it's not just human waste, it's also trash from trees along the coast that has been swept away by sea currents. From the statistic of the amount of marine debris in Bang Sale area that occurred more than 5,670 tons per year. The most common types of waste are two types. 1. General waste, hazardous waste such as food scraps, rags, cans, and various containers. 2. Hazardous waste such as fertilizers, batteries, plastic, glass fragments, etc. The waste that occurs affect both indirectly and directly to marine life. The resulting waste has both indirect and direct impacts on marine life. For example, causing the waste to become attached to the bodies of many marine animals that swim into the garbage affect the digestion of marine animals because it causes marine animals to consume trash and normally exist in the digestive system. Some wastes are difficult to digest when consumed, making the animal's stomach swell until they always feel full. The sea will become colder due to the high amount of trash has an impact on seafloor animals. This waste will hinder sunlight from reaching algae or other aquatic plants if they cover a shallow portion of the ocean floor. The buildup and spread of different poisons in marine plants and animals. The following rules apply to improvement, development, and collection. Effective trash management is necessary. Preventing throwing things out where they shouldn't be is a good place to start. By doing this, rubbish won't start or begin a problem. To take care of the waste that is dumped by the disposal facility and separate it from the waste. People are aware of and knowledgeable about conservation, at least from the collection of trash using maritime rubbish disposal vessels, coordinate volunteer efforts, and clean up the underwater and coastal areas. Strictly enact regulations for the disposal of trash along the coast. Local authorities should take care of and hold restaurants, retailers, and other establishments accountable for the garbage they generate. Create an aquatic animal habitat by planting mangrove forests, for example. The outcome. First, the issue of trash is being recognized more widely. Second, less trash has been dumped into the ocean. Third, there are fewer marine animal fatalities now. Fourth, the seashore is much more clean. We encourage anyone to focus on the marine life and plants that will exist in the future.